Hi, it's Annette at needlepointers.com. There are a wide variety of pre-printed panels available in quilt shops. How many times have you seen a beautiful printed fabric panel for quilting and wondered what to do with it? Needle Pointers has a page dedicated to panel quilt ideas such as our I Spy quilt, Baby Safari quilt, American Pride quilt, and more. To see these and more quilt panel ideas, go to our panel quilt idea page by clicking the link in the description and get inspired. Today, I would like to share another quilt panel project, this covered bridge quilt. I love covered bridges, probably because there are so many around where I live. When I spotted a scenic covered bridge panel at a quilt show, I just had to purchase it. The simplest way to use a panel would be to leave it as it is or add a few borders to the top, bottom, and sides. But this panel cried out for a panel quilt pattern that would show it to its best advantage, something innovative and different. This is the result. The pattern Shenandoah by Creative Solutions was used to make the covered bridge quilt. The picture on the pattern does not do it justice. With a scenic fabric panel print, it makes an exquisite, unique, and beautiful quilt. Depending on the fabric panel size, the pattern can be used to make a wall hanging, a quilted throw, crib, or bed quilt. Want to purchase the pattern? On our Covered Bridge quilt page, we will have a link to the pattern. To make a lovely quilt with the Shenandoah pattern, similar to this, the fabric panel is cut apart and sewn back together with complementary fabric strips. The sashing between the cut strips mimics a window scene, which the pattern does beautifully. An important tip when using the panel quilt pattern, please completely read the directions carefully before starting to cut the panel apart. Accurate layout and cutting are so very important. Are you wondering what I plan to do with this quilt? It's not finished yet. In the bathroom, the shower curtain is a quilt that I made many years ago after finishing a Block of the Month challenge. This covered bridge quilt would be perfect for a fun replacement to the bathroom. However, it's not wide or long enough for a shower curtain, measuring only about 42 inches by 52 inches. So I purchased some complementary fabrics for adding additional borders and a backing. I will do a tutorial on how to make a shower curtain later. When it's completed, you will find a link in the description section. Do you like this quilt panel idea? How do you use quilt panels? Let us know by leaving a comment. Please like and share this video with family and friends. If you're not a subscriber, subscribe to our channel so you won't miss future videos. We would love you to share our videos on Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest. Also visit our website, needlepointers.com, for lots of quilting and sewing ideas and free projects. While you are there, sign up for our weekly newsletter so you don't miss our new tutorials.